It is tank time here at TMG Pits. I'll tell y'all what, we have been knocking these tanks out left and right. Texas, where y'all at? Man, we've been killing these tanks. Let's check out this 250. This one on our single axle trailer package. More of a more basic setup here, guys, but hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that. They don't all have to go all out. On our trailer here, we do have a couple upgrades, one being the stainless steel shelf, all right? Offset right next to the smoker, gray area prep off of, pull something out, set it down. When you're done with it, fold it down. It's got a lock that locks it in place as well. Now on the smoker itself, guys, we'll open this up. So this is our 250. Now the counterweights, you may notice, I just opened that thing up like a breeze. Counterweights are an option on the 250. They're not necessary, but they do make it much easier to open the doors. Inside, we've got 2 sliding top trays. On the bottom, we got 3 grates. They are removable, and we also have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. The stack folds down. Every tank smoker we build gets a folding stack. Guys, on our trailer package, of course, we build all of our trailers in-house. We build all of our fenders in-house too. That's none of that cheap, flimsy Chinese garbage. We got 1/8-inch steel plate fenders, hold up great, powder-coated finish on our trailers, guys. Come around the firebox here. Every tank smoker we build gets a fully insulated firebox. The door is insulated, front of it's insulated well, holds heat great. Makes this 250 just run like a dream. On the back here, we have got one of our stainless prep tops. So this folds up, you got plenty of storage underneath, fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to go. More storage along the back here. Finish them off with a spare tire up front. Slick little 250 rig rolling out of here, guys. Hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.